早安，早安！现在是早上8点，我们在 Lake Toba 的 Samosir Island。那今天呢，我们还是一样会悠哉深度的去环一下 Samosir Island。那经过昨天的倒车事件啊，心情是有一点影响，但是今天是全新的一天，调整一下心情，重新开始。
The rest is okay. You haven't been up. Think down, okay or down?
You need to go up before you go down. I'll hold your bike. This part only. Or you wait for me, I go up first. Last 10%.
还是被昨天倒车的恐惧那个阴影笼罩着，不太敢尝试，因为毕竟不是自己的车啊，是租来的车，比较没有把握。
More power. What happened to you?
Because I phobia.
Go. Power. Yeah, good. More power. More. Keep going. Lick up. Lick up. Yes.
Woo!
Keep going.
Woo!
刚才挑战了那个算是轻度的越野吧，但是对于我来讲已经是蛮大的挑战了。然后我们现在是在这个 Lake Toba 中间的岛 Samosir Island 的 Puncak， 就是它的最高峰。We're at the peak。
挑战下山，呜呼！
20.000.
go towards the cow and then you will see the path up already. I help you.
Wait.
Get someone to help.
Wait.
Okay, give me instruction.
Okay, ready? Let's try. 1, 2. Okay. Move away.
Huh?
Move away. I'm going to start.
Yeah.
Move away. Move away. Move away.
Wow. I pull. Okay. Yes.
I'm looking for the part, so I couldn't find the part.
Okay. We are out. We are out.
Where's the part?
There, you see the cow? Go straight up. Okay. You want to wash a bit the chain? Wash a bit 啦，去洗一下那个车的那个链，很多泥啊，它的双脚也是泥。我们来看这个 Lake Toba 充满 Batak culture 的天主教堂。
So beautiful.
这边有一个特别的祭台，他们用这个当地巴达的这个绘画，把它画成一个天使天堂的图案。应该是地狱的图案吧。这边是面对着 Lake Toba。我们来到 Batak House 的里面，这个是典型的 Batak 的房子。这一个是 Batak Museum， 它展示了很多这种传统的 Batak 的物件。这个应该是一张床。我们来到 King Batak 的棺木。
This is the one I was telling you. Need a stone.